Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Fayetteville, Georgia, which is south of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Karlie Redd. Welcome home to your luxurious Mediterranean-style estate that sits on over 1 beautifully landscaped acre in the exclusive gated community. Prepare yourself as you walk into a 2-story foyer that leads you into a light-filled, fireside great room designed with 2-story windows and views to your backyard oasis. An abundance of natural light continues throughout the main level. The kitchen is equipped with a 6-burner gas cooktop and beautiful granite countertops and is perfectly positioned aside a sunny breakfast room and a separate keeping room with a fireplace and a balcony that overlooks your pool. The spacious owner's suite is nicely tucked away on the main floor and laid out to perfection. Walking into the suite, you're greeted with a gorgeous fireplace and pool view balcony as an exquisite focal point. The owner's suite bathroom is more than accommodating with dual custom closets, a deep jetted tub, and an amazingly oversized walk-in shower complemented with a rain shower head and jets. In short, the owner's suite is a relaxing retreat. On the upper level, you have spacious bedrooms and a loft that is currently designed as a beautiful teen retreat but can serve as a playroom or oversized office. The options are endless as to what best complements your lifestyle. Last and truly not least, we have the entertainer's terrace level and backyard oasis. As you step down, you will notice the spacious, glass-enclosed home gym. Step in further to enjoy your family room accompanied with a bar, theater, guest room and full bathroom. Open the French doors of your terrace-level family room and prepare to take in the views of the backyard that will leave you breathless. All views lead to the crystal-clear heated pool and custom-designed basketball court. An expansive, well-designed deck with several platforms for seating is joined to your outdoor kitchen, fully equipped with a grill, refrigerator and sink. This resort-inspired backyard makes entertaining or simply relaxing and enjoying the estate a necessity. Just 10 minutes from the shops and restaurants of the Fayetteville Pavilion and above-average schools, and is convenient to Woodward Academy. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.